Hi guys, it's Rachna here from Fortune Chemi. Today we're going to talk about EPOKE Evolve. EPOKE Evolve is a two-part high-strength texture and structure paste. Some of the notable qualities of EPOKE Evolve are that it is sandable, it is grindable, it's drillable, and most importantly, it is pigmentable with all the epoch shades that are available. Now let's take a look at how to use EPOKE Evolve. Mix part A and part B in a 1:1 ratio by volume. Mix thoroughly for at least 5 minutes. Use the desired epoch art pigment to pigment your mixture. Make sure you not use more than 2% of pigment. EPOKE Evolve is great for fixing cracks in wood and is highly compatible with resin as well. You can also use Evolve for creating various textures on your paintings. Evolve can not only be applied on horizontal surfaces, but it can be applied on vertical surfaces as well. The cure time for Evolve is 12 hours. Once cured, Evolve is sandable, grindable and drillable. EPOKE Evolve can not only be sanded to a gloss, you may also achieve this gloss in your structure paintings. EPOKE Evolve is compatible with multiple surfaces such as wood, glass, canvas, metal, concrete and stones.